Well guys, you probably noticed a number of videos coming out of the Lock Lab has gone down lately, and that's because I have a few of these inside of the naughty bucket. Challenge locks. These are never easy. This is a Corbin Russ one made by Asa Abloy. Gentlemen, I'm sorry, I don't remember who sent this. If you made this lock, please let me know. You deserve special recognition. This is not my first attempt to get this on video. I have managed to pick it one time. Probably by luck, and now I hope to catch it on film. It is a tough lock. Okay, I'm going to start off. I've learned after many attempts that it's going to take a couple of picks to get this open. I'll start off with the Euro profile standard hook because some of these are cut low. By the way, I guess you want to see the key. That's what it looks like. It doesn't look like much, does it? It works beautifully, very smooth with the key. And hopefully we don't need no stinking key, but in this lock's case, maybe our only hope. Okay, standard hook, Euro profile hook, nice and thin, allows me to get under there and not overset anything. A little bit of tension, my hand is actually under the camera down here, you can see my finger just out of camera. I figured you'd want to see the lock, not my thumb. Alright, light tension. There is some weirdness in this lock. There are spools in here, at least 3 of them, and pin number 6, I think number 5, and certainly number 3 require multiple sets, and I don't know why. That was pin 3, very violent set. And we'll be back to him, I'm sure. He likes to be picked over and over. On pin 5, he's binding. Come on, baby. There we go. That's 5. Pin 6. He's binding. Gotta be gentle with him, but we'll be back to 6 as well. He likes to be picked multiple times. Come on, pin 2. Or at least the one time I got this picked, I had to pick him multiple times. Just like we have 2 gatekeepers in this lock. Okay, there we go. Pin 2. And I heard something in the backdrop, and it is pin 6. There's 6 again. Now there's some pretty nasty curve on the top of this keyway. So I'll get to a certain point, like right now, where it feels like everything is bound. And this pick doesn't have enough of a hook to get up around that corner. So what I'm going to do is move to, again, a standard hook, but it's only 15 thousandths. That'll allow me to twist around it just a little bit, hopefully, and find out who's holding us up here. Feels like pin 2. Come on, baby. Get up there. Alright, I'm going to try, again, another deep hook. Again, 15 thousandths. I don't think 2 is allowing me to get up, or that standard hook is allowing me to get up there around that curve at quite enough to set pin 2. I'm getting a little bit of counter rotation on him. I heard something in the back drop. Come on, get around that corner. Alright, back to the standard hook. And it feels like 6 now is falling again. Printing something in the background, just so I know you, if I don't tell you, some people will email me. It is my 3D printer. I figured I'd multitask today. That was pin 5 again. Okay, that was pin 6 again, and now I got a false set. A good false set going. Okay, that was pin 2. He just kind of fell in place. I'm on pin 3 again, trying to get under him. Alright, I'm going to go with the deep hook. Seems like he wants to be picked pretty high. So if I can get this hook under him, I can maybe do that around that curve. Nope, I'm hearing stuff drop. Pin 3 is just the odd one. I don't understand what he's doing. At times he acts like a spool. Other time he acts like a serrated. So I don't know. Okay, that was pin 5 again. That was pin 4 again. Okay, that felt like pin 1. And we're back to pin 3. Let me double check everybody. I hate messing with him because usually when I try to get him set, I drop everything else. Okay, that was pin 3. Very violent set again. I don't think 3 is set. I think he's holding things up. Alright, we just got a slight turn on the core when I touched pin 3. There's like 6 is back down. There's 6. We got a little slight turn on the core. And I've got a very good fault set now, very deep fault set. Pin 2 is giving me some counter rotation. Okay, we lost a little of our fault set, so I'm going to go to the back and check pin 6. He's like kind of like our gatekeeper. Okay, we're back to a very deep fault set. Pin 1. I'm going to use the deep hook on 1. He seems like he has to be turned around that corner. Let me check everybody else first, just to be sure. Let's try to slide him up there with the standard pick. Okay, I felt a little give on the core. I think we got him. After 9 minutes with his first 6-pin lock. As I said, whoever built this deserves some special recognition. This lock is a combination of super pins, whatever they are, and tight tolerances. Okay, that was pin 1 again. Pin 6 again. We're back to the very deep fault set. And there we go. Almost 10 minutes, fellas. Oh my God. I have to know what's inside of this thing, and I know you want to know too. What a nasty, nasty lock. Alright, we do have a key, so I can screw this up if I have to. In fact, let's just take these screws out. Get a pin board here. Okay, looks like a large, is that right? Yeah, that'll work. Alright, so don't want to screw it up at this late stage. Let's see if we can do this without chopping a finger off. Alright, let's see what kind of nastiness is in here. All standards. Standard, 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 standard. God, nothing's in here. Yeah, there is too. It looks like all of the chambers are chamfered just a little bit, and that's because it looks like 4 of them. The first 3 and number 5 are all threaded, but there's nothing in here but standard pins, which means the wizardry must be here. Let's see if we can find some tweezers. Come on, don't hang up on me there. Alright, we have a spool. Hold on. Get that to focus. It looks like a tapered spool, which would explain why he's given us some weird feedback. I don't know why, but my follower is kind of hanging up in there. And we have, oops, we have another spool. And we have another, nope, we have a T-pin. That explains number 3 getting hung up on us. And we have another spool. Pin 4. Pin 5. Is a standard, and pin 6, the last one back there, the one hard to get at, is a standard as well, looks like. Or not. Looks like he's machined it. Let me get this to focus. Come on, baby, focus for me. Let me put this on my hand. Looks like he machined down the edge of the pin, maybe to get it stuck. No, it's not either. This is, I don't know what to call this. This is a pin like I've never seen before. It's almost like a T-pin inside of a hollow pin. So that would explain why we have multiple picks on the back. We're picking 1, 2, 3 shear lines. If this thing just kind of falls down inside of the chamber, isn't that something? Man, I'd like to get a dozen of these put in locks for you guys, provided I don't lose all the pieces. What a nasty lock. Was number 6 threaded? That would be fun. No, 6 was not threaded. That would be cool if it was. That would really be nasty. Anyway, after, I don't know, almost 50 or 60 attempts, we finally got this thing picked. There's what we're looking at, guys. We have 4 threaded chambers on the core. We have a tapered spool, a standard spool, a T-pin, a short spool, a standard pin to keep it from rotating and giving away its secrets, and then last is the pin. I don't even know what to call this. It's that T-pin that's inside of the hollow pin. I have seen pictures of these. I've never actually seen one. Anyway, sir, whoever built this, please let me know your name, and I will put your name on the title of the video. Thank you, sir. I appreciate the lock. Everybody else, stay safe, stay legal, and gentlemen, stay away from these.